Howdy, everybody. I'm Hand-Drawn Hank, and welcome to today's Quick Draw, where you suggest it and I draw it. Remember, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe below. Today's drawing was suggested by Dia in India. Dia asked that I draw a lioness. This drawing's for you, Dia, and thanks for the suggestion. Here we go. Now, we're gonna draw this female lion hunting. So to draw her hunting, we gotta draw her eyes very focused. So we're gonna do that by drawing a curvy line like this. Good job, and do it again on the other side. All right. Next, we're gonna draw her eyes like this. Ta-da! Now we just draw the insides. Good job. Next, let's give her some eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, looking good. Now just draw 2 straight lines for her nose. Ta-da! Let's just draw her nose. Kind of like a triangle. Now let's shade. Good job! Next, let's just draw her mouth with some round shapes over here. Start at the side of her nose and bring it back down to the middle of her nose like this. Good job! Same thing on the other side. I like it. Now, let's just draw the bottom of her mouth. Ta-da! Looking good! Now, let's just draw some hair on her head. 1 and 2 and 3. Easy peasy. Let's draw an ear. Ta-da! Same thing on the other side. Ta-da! Now let's draw the sides of her face. We just draw it like this. That's all. Just like a wiggly little line. Like this. Ta-da! That's all. Easy peasy. And now we're going to draw some poofs of hair to draw the sides of her cheeks. We're going to do 3 on each side like this. 1, 2, and we're going to bring the last one back up into her mouth. And 3, like that. Easy peasy. 1, 2, and 3. Looking good. Now, because this lioness is hunting, we're gonna draw her kind of prowling low and kind of creeping through the grass. So we're gonna draw a line that goes up and down to show her shoulder blade as she stalks her prey like this. Good job. Now let's draw her arm as she stalks her prey. So let's draw a little line. Good job. Draw the top of that arm. Good job. Let's draw the bottom of that arm. And a little line. All right. Let's draw the bottom back of that arm like this. Good job. And the front like this. Ta-da. Good job. Let's draw her foot. 1, 2, and 3. Bring it all the way back down. Ta-da! Looking good. She is on the prowl. Woo! Let's go ahead and draw her back leg too. So we draw a line like this. Good. And here, boop, looking good. Bring that back leg down. And now we just gotta draw her back foot. 1, 2, and 3. Looking good. Connect that line. Wow. She is looking fierce. Now let's draw her back like this. All right. Now we're gonna come over here and draw her back leg right over here. So we're gonna draw her stomach here. and then her back leg will start about here. So just draw like a nice little curve like this. Boo. Good job. And do the same thing back here. Boo. I like it. Now bring this line up. Whoop. And bring this back line up. And then kick it back in and over like that. Looking good. Now let's just draw that back foot. 1 and 2 and 3. Ta-da! Looking good. Let's draw her stomach coming down. Easy peasy. Let's draw a line here for her back leg. And here. And here. Now we're just going to draw a line down like this to be the bottom of her foot. And then 1, 2, 3 for the toes. 1 and 2 and 3 and up. Ta-da! What's left? Oh, let's not forget that tail. Just draw a nice curvy line down. Like that, and then bring it back up. Good job. And do the same thing for the bottom. I like it. Let's draw a little bump. Ta-da! We did it. We drew a lioness on the prowl. I'm gonna draw some lines here for the ground. And this powerful female lion is on the hunt. Good job. And thanks for the suggestion, Dia. And everyone remember, if you like this video, tell all your friends and don't forget to please subscribe below. Now let's color!